This video picks up from where the straight edge cutting fixture, the number 3 video, left off. Here I'm making a very simple belt buckle for a 1¼ inch wide leather belt. Setting up a piece of 16 gauge steel in the cutting fixture. Now with the jigsaw here, I'm using a very inexpensive metal cutting blade. And these are the layout tools that I use. I like to use this mesh so that the part I'm working on doesn't slide around on the steel table. In this way, I can hold it firmly. Using a straight edge to scribe from the corners to find the center. For a scribe, I either use a carbide or a diamond tip scribe, and these cost about $2 to $3. You may already have a 12-inch combination square like this one. For smaller work, they are a bit awkward to use, and I prefer the 6-inch. I paid $8 for this one on Amazon. Once I've found the center, I can mark it with a spring-loaded center punch. Now to drill the hole, I want a hole that is about 3/8 inch in diameter. Here I'm using a step drill, but a standard 3/8 inch drill bit will work just as well. Using the combination square to measure in 3/8 inch from each side. Then, scribing the lines. Once it's in the vise squarely, I can either pull or push so that the metal bends slightly at that point. Reverse the metal and repeat for the other side. This gives the belt buckle form as opposed to being just a flat piece of metal. As you can see, I've rounded off the corners of the steel blank on the bench grinder, or they could be filed off or even sanded off. Now I'm ready for the U shape. Now here I'm fuse welding these pieces to the blank. Now they could be brazed or silver soldered. Now I'm going to texture the metal. Texturing is something that I'll go into in another video. And this is a small blank that will be attached. Now for the reason for the 3/8 inch hole. It gives me room to braze the smaller piece to the front. Once it's finished, it's a stylish belt buckle. Very easy to do, and the material costs are minimal. These are kind of fun, so in future videos I'll be coming up with new ones and improving the techniques.